Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to turn off text wrapping in Google Docs step by step. So let's begin. First open your document and click any object or PNG. Then click object or wrap text inline, click inline and see this result. For the best way, use inline. Okay, again use wrap text. That's it. If your text keeps moving around an image or object in Google Docs, it's because text wrapping is turned on. This tutorial show you how to turn it off so your text styles clean and properly aligned.